Good morning. Good morning, everybody. What's going on? Timothy, hey there. You're loving the RSI. Let's go. Marshall MMA, good morning. Hello. All right, let's start the day. We have CPI day today, right? From Las Vegas. The beautiful Las Vegas. Alex, hey there. Good morning. Good morning. All right. Well, here we are in the London session as usual. And, well, interesting, interesting that we made technically an equal low here on this 5 minute. Look at this. Made an equal low on this fair value gap on the 5 minute chart. It's all right. So, and we have a 5 minute CB up there, which is a good target if price wants to go. Let's see. All right. We have the coffee. We have everything. Best DJ in town, good morning. Good to see you. Welcome back, welcome back. All right. Midnight level 140. 140. And 166 here. Marcin, good morning, Marcin. It seems like we are in this 5 minute gap. So as I said, we have a sell side at 101 down here, equal lows on the 5 minute here. Oh, totally forgot. I want to change the banner on the Bulenox. Bulenox sale is back to 91% right now. So let me just put this right here. So 91% at Bulenox currently. Yeah. It's back. Let's chill. Hey, La Rebecca, what's going on? Let's chill, let's chill. All right. Are we going back to midnight area or what? Naomi, good morning. Nissim, good to see you. What's up, Nissim? Naomi, welcome. Well, that's the level there, 140. The thing is that, do we have news in London session this morning? Nothing. We only have the CPI today, 8:30 Eastern Standard. Holy Grail, good morning, Vietnam. Hello. Welcome. We had a structure shift to the upside. I don't trust it really because we made a relative equal low, so it's not too far. It's like 19 points away to the downside and also like right in the middle. But I like the 5 minute CB up there. That's the only PD array that so far I think we can go for. The mid level is right there in that 15 minute fair value gap as well. So yeah, I like that. That's a good area for a price to go. I swear, I mean, I'd like to go long here. I really like to go long, but I have a feeling that before I would go long, it could just go down and take out that sell side down there. But anyway, so I'm not going to, not for now. I mean, we had a structure shift, that's true. Oh man, it's a tough question. It's a tricky one. Should I go? Should I take this? I don't know. Maybe with 2 micros. All right, I guess I can. All right, this one could be my probe trade, right? This will be my probe trade for the morning. And 70, 166. Okay, I'm gonna go all the way. Don't ask me why. All right, so I entered the long position, very, very small, 2 micros, only on evaluation accounts. I do want to target this area up there. The 15-minute fair value gap starts at 169. All right, so my TP is at 165. That's it. Of course, it's gonna go take out the low, and yeah, no problem there. That could be, yeah, the draw on liquidity could be easily up there, but first it might trick me. Anyway, it's all right. It's all right. Yeah, look at that. It's just gonna go down. Oh, thank you, Nissim. Thank you for the support, man. Thank you so much. Yeah, so Bulenox is down to 91%. Also, the option 2 accounts, which are the end of day trailing accounts, are at 84%. So Bulenox used to do many sales, but the option 2 accounts are almost never on sale. So the option 2 code is TOMSABO 2. It's not the same code, I don't know why, but anyway. Activation for a 50K account is $148. 148. The promo is only good for 50K and higher accounts. So the promo is not working for 25K accounts, just saying. It's only for 50K or higher. I would say 50K is the optimal. No problem. All right, let's see. We might go down, sweep some more liquidity. That's what I think is gonna happen. I tried 25K. Oh, sorry, yeah. Only 50K and up. Yeah. I'm unfortunate. I don't know why they're doing this, but Rob, hey there. What's up? What's up? What's up? I guess I'm gonna buy a few accounts for CPI. I think so. Anyway, the option 2 accounts are on a good sale. So well, we're just hovering here. Nothing really happening for now. Sam, good morning. Hey, you got the 50K. Yeah, the CPI. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have like at least a few accounts for CPI. Yeah, these are cheap ones to mess around. So yeah. Stealth, hey there. What's up? Well, nothing special. I entered in a long position with a very, very, very small risk. Where is it? Where can I show? Oh, here it is. Why is it not loading? Reload. Okay, there you go. So here's my position. Small position. Only on evaluation accounts this morning. You know, it's CPI. So, you know, we can never know. But I have a feeling that this might just go down and sweep some more liquidity. I mean, look at the relative equal lows down there. I might just close this trade. A low probability is what I think. Actually, I'm closing it. I just closed it. I made the decision. I made the decision to close it. I have a feeling that this one just wants to sweep this area down there on the 5-minute. Down here. Let me give a different color to it. If not, it's okay too. 5-minute. What is this? BC. Yeah, I closed it. It was a sudden decision, you know, to go long. I thought that okay. I still think that, you know, the only PD array and the only area that I see in this London session that price could be delivered to is this 5-minute CB. I just feel like that the way it's gonna go. I mean, it should have gone already. You know, it should have started to go up there already. It could still, but I feel like that it's slowly gonna go down. It's gonna sweep liquidity here, and then boom. You know, this is what I think it will do. So when I saw this spike here and the candle at 2 a.m. Poking into liquidity here, I thought that, all right, this could go, but it's not going. Instead, I think it's just gonna slowly grind lower, sweep that, and who knows what's gonna happen. But so small tiny loss there, no big deal on evaluations. It's okay, it's all right. Mo, good morning. Looks like it's coming to the lows. Yeah, and also I totally forgot that we have the 100 level here, which is a nice round number. And also, so yeah, in the short distance, there is more to take out on the downside. So that's why I decided to close it. You know, it is what it is. It is what it is. It's okay. I lost like I don't even know, $20 or something. On evaluation, so it's all right. What's up, Matty? How's it going? Our index is bullish. Nice. You know what? If it shifting this structure here at 130, I might jump in. Look at that. I exit and it goes. So that's why. Oh well. Yeah, better than blowing an account. Yeah. As soon as I close my exit, close the trade, it goes to my direction. And that should be the reason why I should not enter in the first place. Because, it's still early in the morning. Still anything can happen. So let's just wait. Let's be patient. We have a beautiful day ahead of us, so. Trader Ramon, good morning. Jó reggelt. We don't have any news in London session, as far as I can recall this. Yeah, nothing. Nothing. By the way, another Bulenox payout has been secured. Not just secured, it actually has been deducted from the account. So it's been approved. So it's going to be paid today, most likely, because it has been deducted from the account. How anyone can blow an account with one trade? There should be more issue. Yeah. Traded Russell for the first time yesterday, ended up, wow, 1200. Well, it's personal preference. Sometimes the Russell, the Russell can also have its own bad days, when it's not moving the way you want it to move. I traded the Russell for a few weeks, actually for 2 months or sometime, yeah, about 2 months this year, and it was okay. But the only thing that I realized during those 2 months, and I was actively trading the Russell, is that it can also behave just as much crazy as NQ or ES. So it does have those days when you just have no idea what the heck it's doing. So a bit boring, but yeah. Rebecca, no. No Russell, does that mean? No Russell. Okay, look at that. Now it's going. Now it's going. By the way, is this link still active? It is. It's going. Should have stayed in the trade in the first place, right? All right, no problem. Yeah, it seems like, you know, the 5-minute looks nicely bullish. It didn't go down for the 5-minute BC, not yet at least. So, yeah. I'm gonna see if this one's gonna make a displacement into, well, how does it look like? Nothing. So into, I mean, should close higher than 130. Actually, it would be better like 131, 132 with a fair value gap. That I would like. But at this point, I'm just watching. Look at the 15-minute. We do have a 15-minute fair value gap here. So this one could be a bullish reaction. The 145 candle as it closed. On the 1 hour, yeah, still. So as I'm saying, this gap here, which is basically happened at the new day opening or the new candle opening at 6 p.m. yesterday, that actually created a nice area for liquidity. So it could be a target. Absolutely. Bray, hey there, good morning. The trader guy, good morning. Bulenox good. Well, I just oh yeah, as I said, so I got multiple payouts. I can happily say that I have multiple payouts now with Bulenox. I know that there's a guy on Twitter, and that's an interesting situation, who got denied for $500,000. But that's the only thing I know of currently. So far, everybody I know, including myself with multiple payouts, everybody I know got the payouts on time like clockwork from Bulenox. So no issue at all ever, but they did update the terms of service last week about with the flipping rule, with the copy trading, and with the average position sizing. These are the three main changes at Bulenox. Yeah, the 150K accounts are good, but keep in mind that the activation fee is higher. That's one of the negative points at Bulenox. So let me look at it for you. So Bulenox, yeah, look at this. Bulenox 150K account activation fee is $498. That's the problem. That's the issue. I think the most optimal is the 50K account, maybe the 100K. That's it. But the most optimal is the 50K. That's the bread and butter here, basically. Yeah. That's the issue with Bulenox. That's a problem. That's a problem. Although there's a sale going on, but you know, the 100K account at Apex, when there's no sale, that it used to be like $230 or something to activate. So this would be the maximum I would go with Bulenox. This would be the max. 150K is too much. With this amount of money, you can just buy yourself a funded account. You know, for $400 with MyFundedFutures, Tradeify, whatever, you can just buy yourself a funded account with this money. So 50K is the optimal. Bulenox uses Rhythmic so far. They said something that they are trying to have DX feed as well. Nothing about trade weight so far. So, but that would be good. Yeah, the top step activation fee is $149. Bulenox 148. Yeah, NPM. Yeah. Lower accounts are cheaper. I know a few people. I'm still fighting for that payout because I had those funded accounts. I blown one, unfortunately, and I still need to work on two more. So, but I talked with on Discord with people who did receive the payout. They pay out every Monday. There was a slight delay this Monday because they were doing it manually, but on Tuesday morning everybody got the payouts. And the CEO said that they paid out $800,000 since they started. I don't know if that's true or not. It's just only what he said. He said that they paid out already $800,000 since they started, and they are a brand new company. On their Telegram, I see more and more people were posting that they got paid out. So they pay out every Monday. Like Bulenox pays every Wednesday, like today. ProfiTrade every Monday. So if you requested it today or yesterday, you have to wait for next Monday. That's the thing. No, I didn't hear that, Self. That's the new information. What's the news? What's the new rule with TopStep? I didn't hear that. Csipesz, jó reggelt, jó reggelt. Zoltán, jó reggelt neked is. If I forgot to say hello to Zoltán and Csipesz and Diaz Zinga, good morning. Sometimes I forget to say hello and good morning to some people. Sorry about that. I tend to switch between screens and tabs, and sometimes I miss saying hello. Yeah, I didn't hear anything. He says only allowed 2 resets per day and can only purchase 10 combines per month. Whoa, interesting. $10 combines per month. I mean, not overall a bad idea if you think about it. Not overall such a bad idea. I wonder how much money they were making off people resetting. Yeah, but you know, I think, Josh, it's because of the new regulations and because TopStep is basically one of the oldest, if not the oldest, futures prop firm. I think they know much more than anybody else about the upcoming regulations. And what Apex has confirmed in one of their reports, Michael Patek also said on TopStep TV a few weeks ago, I briefly caught the video somebody sent me, that the CME is definitely going to have this space regulated next year. It's inevitable. It's going to happen. And the CME is going to require not just the CME, they said something else too. So anyway, the regulatories are going to require the prop firm to have a significant amount of income from live trading. That's one of the rules that is going to be in the new regulations. So the regulations, one thing is for sure, and both Apex said it and Michael Patek said this, that 100% that the prop firm needs to get a significant, they didn't say how much, but a significant amount of profit they have to generate from live trading. So not just from simulated account or blah, 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 or, you know, the sim funded accounts. They need to make profit from the real live market. It's a requirement for prop firms. So if you know that the regulatories want you to make profit from live trading, then what you have to do, if then you have to push as much people as you can to live accounts. And that's what TopStep and Apex wants to do. TopStep definitely wants to do that. They want to push, and MyFundedFutures too. They want to push everybody to live account as soon as possible. Respectable. Yeah, Sorel. If you get called up to live, you can no longer trade. Exactly, Stealth. So when someone goes to live, you can only trade on live. So that rule is going to come in next year, 100%. They said it's just going. So a lot of small, brand new prop firms are going to, maybe they're going to have some time. I mean, obviously it's not going to happen in one day. So they're going to give the prop firm some kind of time window, like 6 months, a year or something. So it's not going to happen just overnight, you know, like, okay, from this day on, they're going to give some time for the transition, but they have to push everybody. Now, TopStep, if this is true, I mean, why would it be? If TopStep is narrowing down the people, I mean, narrowing down the thing that you can buy only 10 combines a month, that's also encouraging the traders to take it much more seriously and to respect the funded account much more seriously, get rid of the gamblers, and, you know, they have the flipping rule as well. And so they want to push more people to live. It might be a little bit less revenue from the simulated accounts and the combines, from the combine purchases and activation fees. But maybe in the long term, so TopStep right now is already settling in for the long term. I think that's what TopStep is doing. And by the way, that's what Apex is doing. Whatever you guys think or how you guys hate Apex, I know everybody hates Apex, but they are already settling in for the long run, I think. That's what I think is happening. And I wanted to talk about this in a video, not on live stream, because I was thinking about this in the past days and weeks, like what is really happening. And these OG prop firms are already, you know, pushing everything to this direction. Like the brand new prop firms, obviously they want to do the same, but they still have to, you know, they have to catch up real quick. And MyFundedFutures too, by the way. I always forget to talk about them, but MyFundedFutures, the CEO, also said that one of the main priorities to push everybody to live accounts. They also want to push everybody to live. Yeah, still 1 day pass, Marcelella. ProfiTrade is still 1 day pass. Is still 1 day pass. Bowser, hey there. Rebecca, yes, we hate Apex. I'm respecting everybody's opinion. TopStep, Apex, MyFundedFutures, the rest is just wanna be props. Yeah, so the only thing I hear and gather information from these prop firms that everybody wants to push people to live. So this confirms that the CME is going to require these prop firms to trade on live accounts more and more people. Because if you think about it, a simulated funded account is still just an evaluation account. Let me repeat that. A simulated funded account is just an evaluation account. The only difference is that you're going to get paid some from that account, but after a few payouts, and the payouts should be kept on a simulated funded account because it's obviously bleeding out the company, you should be pushed to a live account. So exactly, Maddie. Exactly. That's just I wanted to say. But I just wanted to say, but as long as I get payouts and I'm making money, I don't really care what kind of account is that. I just need to get the payout and everybody. And Who cares, right? As long as I'm getting the payout and everybody gets the payout, I don't care. Just pay me out and pay everybody out. And that being said, circling back to Bulenox, a new payout has been approved on one of my accounts, which was this one. So this one got deducted this morning. I had 3,614, or I don't even know. Anyway, I got $1,000 deducted from this one this morning. So usually that means that the payment is going to arrive today. So that's one more payout from Bulenox. And this is the second payout from the same account. So I already had a payout from this one. So this is the second payout. And this is something, this is why I'm saying, and I need to talk about this, why I like actually, no, that's not a good expression that I like, but this is why I think it's a good thing that you need to build up a safety threshold. Like, here, $2,600. I pushed it up to $3,600. I requested $1,000 and it worked like twice now. I hope it will work out the third time too. And this is how it should be working, you just rotate these accounts and push it. It means no, you have to be at 4,100, I think. Let me get the calculator. So the minimum threshold is 2,600 on the 50K account. The maximum payout on the first 3 withdrawals is 1,500. Then there is no withdrawal cap, but I think they're going to push you to live account after that, but because they said it too. Anyway, different topic. So 4,100, right? $4,100, you can take out 1,500 on your first 3 withdrawals. After that, it's gonna be there should be no cap, right? It's done in market. Everybody who trading prop have zero impact on the market. You buy and sell orders just, yeah, I know what you mean there, Rob, but yeah, I mean that's also a different thing that we could be talking about a lot. Like, it's a fake account. Yes, I know it's a demo account. And if we count all the prop traders who are on a simulated funded account, if they would be trading on a real funded account, do you guys think that the prop traders would make an impact as retail traders on the market? That's the question we need to ask. Do you think that those relatively small portion of retail traders who are trading on live prop firm accounts would be making a difference in the market behavior? I honestly don't know. That's why I'm asking. I don't know. That's why I'm saying it's a different question. The CME wants the data money. Exactly, Kenny. Spot on. The $64,000 question just got answered. The CME wants the data money. Exactly. They want the data money, and also they want some profit share too, I guess. But, all exchanges want volume. Exactly. Volume, exchange fees, transaction fees, NPM. Perfect, yeah. Transaction fees, data fees. It's all about the money. It's not about, they see that the prop firms are making a killing with these accounts. Oh man, I feel the FOMO now. I feel the FOMO now. We're going into that 5-minute gap. I closed my long position down here, the tiny loss, because I thought we're going to sweep the liquidity. Oh, what can I do? I feel that the FOMO is kicking in now, but don't worry, it's all right. We should be going into that 5-minute CB up there. Let's wait for London Open. liquidity would be better, but still not as significant. Maybe. Yeah, Rob. So that's what I'm saying. I was honestly just asking, like, I don't know. Would it make an impact on the market if all the quote unquote funded traders on the futures market would be trading directly to the market? Because these funded traders would be still retail traders. Would it be making a huge difference? I don't know. I honestly don't know. In terms of volume, maybe. Who knows? Gangsters. Yeah, I actually entered the long here, somewhere here at 19, and then it went down and I closed it. I closed it because I thought we were gonna sweep some more, and now it's going up. Anyway, we are at the VWAP at midnight. Yeah, we'll see what it does. We'll see. We can still have some move after the London Open. 100 is the point of control at 45. Oh yeah, it looks like it. Okay, this is the 5-minute chart. Oh yeah, you guys can see it. So I'm still hovering in this 5-minute area right here. It would. Look at the order block. Sorry, yeah, no, order block, order book. I can't read. I need to have new glasses, by the way, and that's serious. That's true. I need to have new glasses. My eyes are getting worse every year. The order book, NQ, more or less empty. Look at this. We're going higher. We're going to reach that CB. There's no question around it now. And Asia high is at 161, right? Asia high is at 161 ish area. Bob, good morning. 10 years ago, more traders on futures led more orders in the book, less spread. Yeah, I guess that could have been the case. Pinion, hey there, good morning. Well, you know, it's nothing special. It seems like price is slowly grinding to Asia highs here. I guess we can say that we have Asia highs at 61. But it can still just turn around here. Like now. Look at this. Asia high and up. Let's see. Let's see. You can do it. Let's see 150. 150 is still not happening, but yeah. Maybe it can. Now more traders on sim accounts, bad for exchanges, so the push to get traders back to live is good for all parties. That's true, NPM. Yeah, I guess it's for them it's a win-win situation, and for maybe us too. For the trader, it's a win situation because you know, if you get to the simulated funded account or whatever account they put you into, you know, in the new contracts after the regulations, it should be quote unquote guaranteed in a way that you're going to trade on a live account. So there should be some exact numbers or amount of withdrawals, whatever is going to be the limit. They will going to have a cap on withdrawals on simulated funded accounts, and at least you will know that after a certain point, like MyFundedFutures does it already. So MyFundedFutures is keeping a cap on the withdrawals before pushing everybody to live account. For example, the instant funded account with MyFundedFutures. The way I think the instant funded account is going to be one of the best hits from MyFundedFutures, because they have a withdrawal limit on those accounts, and that's why it's sustainable. You know, if you hit the targets, you're just gonna go to live account. That's it. YOLO or just get out? I don't know, Lorabek. I don't know. For the prostate, more risky. Yeah. Quick question with Apex. If I hit payout request right now, I still have to wait till tomorrow to market close the accounts update request. Yeah. So if you made the profit right now, you have to wait for today's market close, because the website is going to update tomorrow, I guess. At least that's how I understand it. Maybe I'm wrong, but something like that. So if you just made the profits, I think the website is not going to recognize, it's not going to update on your account only after the market close, I think. Sorry, I still have to wait tomorrow market close for the account to update to request the payout. I mean, reach the balance path. From my first payout request. Let's go. You know, if you reach that barrier, I would suggest to wait until the reset, you know, and you know, just wait a little bit. It's not too much. Just wait until the next day, and the website is going to update, and you can you know, type in the exact amount. I'm kind of curious if this one still wants to go up, or was this kind of a sweep here? Because if we go down to the 1 minute, there's a classic ICT 2022 short entry here based on this fair value gap on the 1 minute. Oh, let me give some. Okay. So there was a market structure shift here. Obviously we have Asia highs up there, that's true. But what if it swept the levels here at the midnight open? Actually, it's not open, but in the New York midnight level, swept these, and it just wants to go down to sweep the 100 level. Just an idea. Just thinking out loud. Now, if it breaks this 145, then that would be an indication that it wants to continue to Asia highs. You know. Preserve capital. Oh yeah, definitely, Fabio. Yeah. Everybody just preserve your mental strength and the accounts as well to CPI. CPI is gonna be the real deal for today. We're just being nostalgic here. Gabriel, good morning. OMG, bye. Marci, servus. I shorted it for 10 points, swing point of control. Overlap with 1 hour imbalance, 15-second volume spike, close to accounts. Oh. Let's go. Gabriel, I know you do. I know you have. I have faith in you. Read the tape. That's true. We're doing some tape reading here, guys. So that's what I'm doing. I do have a FOMO for missing out this, but still, it's a good exercise for tape reading. So I wonder if this is gonna hold or not. So far, this fair value gap is still trying to turn this down. Look at this. It's not able to push it through. The thing is that we have some minor volume imbalances as well on the lower time frame. Let's check the 5-minute if we have anything. No, the 5-minute, there's nothing special. Look at that. Look at that. It's still fighting. If it goes from here, that would be an interesting turn of events. If it would go down to the 100 from this fair value gap, now you know, this reaction kind of feels like a nice little bearish reaction. That would be a surprising drop down to the 100s if it goes. Obviously, if not, then when requesting a payout with Bulenox, do you download the complete from sign it, then take a picture and upload it? Yes, I mean download it, sign it, and when you request there's a section there under payout request form when you can upload those files. You know, you can choose your national ID or passport and the tax form. You know, you select those files and just upload it. Exactly, Miranda. That's how they do it. Such a good. Come on, Gabriel. Stop it. Stop it, man. Dump it. Interesting though that this reaction happened right here, so it could be a dumpage. Sometimes we do it all for nothing. Yeah. The daily does look for sell on the 9 EMA. I haven't even checked it, by the way. I'm out of coffee. Is that a good thing or bad thing? Anyway, we're gonna have the London Open soon. You're short? Let's go. You know, if you look at the 5-minute, we have a 5-minute fair value gap with the spike down here. And we have another, you know, level here, created a relative equal low. So makes this whole situation quite interesting. Bit of a minor volume imbalance at 116. So yeah. anything can happen. On the 5-minute, there's a small tiny gap at 122, flat candle at 116, and another tiny gap at 114. These are all minor levels, not too much significant. So let's see. We tapped in the 15-minute bearish order block. Haven't even checked it. You mean this one? Maybe this one. Anyway. London Open is less than 4 minutes. Zach, good morning. So to confirm, do you fill everything out manually? Yes, sorry, Miranda. Yes, you fill out everything. Actually it's you don't have to scan it with a pencil. You can, type it with the PDF file. And you just save it. I think I have a PDF filler. That's how I did it. Or it automatically opens it up in your browser, so you can just, type in the details. And you don't even have to sign it with a pencil or something. You can do this digital sign. Just carve something there with the mouse, and it's been signed. That's how I did it. Yeah. So I understand, Miranda. It's absolutely not difficult. I mean, first I thought that, oh man, what do I have to do? But it's super simple. Just sign it. Make sure to use the proper check mark, like if you're a US citizen or not a US citizen, type in your address correctly, and that's it. So at midnight, okay. It's the midnight level. All right. So getting closer to London Open here. We might see a continuation up to Asia highs, or dumping down to liquidity sweep at the 100 level. Which one is it going to be? Because we just took out some levels here. Which one is likely to happen? Less than 2 minutes. Less than 2 minutes to go. All right, let's see. 45 seconds. No problem, problem, Miranda. By the way, if there would be any issue with the paperwork or any, mistake by filling up the papers, Bulenox will send you an email. I mistakenly mistyped my bank account, and they were sending me an email that, hey, all is good, just please confirm that your bank account is this and this, because I forgot to put something there in the Swift code, and so they check it also, and they will let you know. All right, we have a bit of a drop here, not too much. Not too much. Let's see if it's going to continue or it's just going to turn around and go for the Asia highs. It now seems like it could go higher, but let's see. Yeah, Asia highs are at 60, so not too far. 61. This previous gap so far is still trying to hold. I don't know for how long. I think it can trade through super easy. My guess is it'll go up based on technical. Yeah. Little bear trap. Yeah, could be a bear trap. Hey, Mehdi, thanks for dropping by. No problem, no problem. Thank you for joining. Have a good one. Have a good day. Okay, so interesting reaction again from that fair value gap. Trying to figure out still what it wants, but you know, it's almost like equal distance. Well, now it's getting more to the sell side, but almost equal distance to Asia high or this sell side here from earlier. Let's wait. Five-minute looks a little bit, well, looks like a doji indecision. Hard to tell. Hard to tell at this point. Looking for inefficiencies and volume imbalances. I don't know. I don't know what to think. Close below trend line. Yeah. I don't know. I mean, the main I did not have such huge reaction from any liquidity area. The only thing that we had is the sweep of the midnight level here. And you know, if that's the case, that it wanted to sweep these levels and it created this shift, and it should go through these lows at the 15 and maybe sweep the 100 level. You know, that's what I would go for. But it's a big if, you know. So I'm just tape reading this. And there's a small tiny volume imbalance at, oh, look at that, nice bounce here. Small volume imbalance at the open of this candle, which is at 16. I don't know if it's there on the, no, it's not on the mini. It's only on the micro, so it's not significant. So it's nothing, basically. Let's wait. Did it go into that? No, it didn't. Trying to figure out if it wants to pick up liquidity from a fair value gap somewhere or whatever. Soft landing. I don't know. What is the BC? It's called buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. It's a ICT concept, basically, part of the ICT concepts. It's a 5-minute BC, which means I'm gonna be super quick about this. There's a lot of videos on YouTube about this. So it means that this candle yesterday PM session, the 1:10 Eastern Standard Time, 1:10 PM candle on the 5-minute pushed real fast up there. And as it went higher, the next candle didn't really reprice it or any, well, this one poked down into it, but this gap means that actually the buyers were pushing it real fast, and it has been left open, so no reprice here. So it basically imbalanced the sellers. I mean, I can't speak English this morning. Price was not offered to the sellers down here as a pullback, so it just started to go up like almost immediately. So that's why they say there is a buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. The sellers were inefficient to reprice this area here, this gap. So inefficient in repricing. Instead, it was just pushing higher and higher. And you know, comes the next day today, and look at this. This 5-minute inefficiency is still here. It's still left. How should I express this? It left unbalanced. No. Well, basically, yeah, unbalanced. It's still early for me in the morning. And the CB means the opposite. Sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. So if we go to the 5-minute here, you can see that yesterday, I mean, it was actually after 6 p.m. Sellers were super strongly pushing it down, causing it for buyers, I mean, causing an inefficiency for buyers to reprice this. You know, they were inefficient to reprice this gap. So that's why those levels just stayed there. But obviously ICT would laugh all around on my explanation, but there was like thousands of videos on YouTube explaining this way better than I do. But basically this is the concept. Do you copy trade your Bulenox accounts? Well, not from now. You know, the new rules are forbidding, prohibited to copy trade, but I don't know how they see it. You know, I don't know if there's a way for Bulenox to see if I copy trade or not. So that's a good question. That's a good question. Yeah, absolutely best DJ in town. Absolutely. Lag and service still left untouched. Yeah, yeah. So for example, if we're talking about imbalances, look at this. The 1 minute candle right here that shifted here. Sell side imbalance, but the buy side were efficient. So this is not a CB because the buyers, look at the buyers came in and repriced this gap almost immediately. Like 2 minutes later, the buyers came in, repriced this gap. So the buy side was efficient, right? Sell side imbalance, buy side efficiency, but not inefficiency. Anyway, this was efficient repricing of the gap and then continuing lower. But up there is inefficiency, and down there is inefficiency as well. So I'm looking for those price delivery arrays or PD arrays or premium discount arrays, whatever you want to call it. We need an insider at each prop firm, yeah. An insider would be a good idea, actually. To have someone let us know about the latest information. Look at this low grind. It might continue higher, you know, to the 60s. How about that? Asia high. Seems like it wants to go. Seems like that this 1 minute gap is just, you know, it's just gonna have some trouble. If it goes up there, yeah, obviously. This one's just gonna go. And if this one's just gonna go, are we going to the 60s, I wonder? So this was, so far, this is not strong enough to hold this. And so the Asia highs could be still in play. How far is it? It's not too far. It's like a little bit more than 20 points. I mean, London can do 20 points. It's not the end of the world if it wants to go. Now that we traded through this 1 minute gap, well, we'll see. It closed above the gap, actually, the 1 minute candle. So that's a bit of a bullish sign there. But it's still holding. Okay, it's started to push. Not too much, and the candle is not closed yet, but relative equal highs around the 161-ish area on the 15-minute chart. And also Asia highs. Let's see. I'll never let trading magnetize me no more. All right, Hurdy. Yeah. Hey, Camille, good to see you. How long did you wait for your plane account? Well, I think it took for to set up. Well, it was like quite a few months ago. I think it took like 1 or 2 days or something until they approved my documents, I think. Something like that. Maybe the next day or 2 days, something. Something around that. Okay, so this gap is still, look at this. Wow. Oh. Also, Slight structure shift here with this candle. This structure has been shifted. So there was a bit of a sweep here, and it might want to continue to Asia high. That would be the ultimate target, in my opinion, if the drawn liquidity is up there, then Asia high would be a good target. This midnight area is definitely it has some gravity here. For both long and short positions too. You know, if someone was shorting in this area, in this gap, then stops are resting above 145. So if I would be short, I would be sweating, because now the stops are being taken out just like that. And what else? Yeah, stops being taken out. I'm not saying that this is going to rally, but you know, London is tricky. But it's hard to say. Is it going to try those Asia highs, or is it going to trick everybody? Unfortunately, there's a volume imbalance there. Let me check something real quick. I'm watching my charts. I don't see anything special. Hey Slage, what's up? Good to see you. Just made 1 minute equal highs. Oh yeah, with this one you mean? Could be. Let me delete this. Yeah, we could see some. The issue is that, you know, we have this small tiny volume imbalances or liquidity voids. And if you look at the mini, when it does this, leaves these gaps in London session, then there is not enough volume. I tend to believe that, you know, it slowly comes down again to reprice, even if it goes higher. I tend to believe that price wants to trick everybody a little bit and wants to rebalance these levels and then go higher maybe, but I don't even have an entry. So able to book 4RS partial. Let's go. Congratulations, Mo. Apex at Pain is delayed because I need to create, yeah, plain account. Yeah. And by the way, I'm saying this to everybody. If you're still not at the payout level, what you can do as an extra, you can already set up your payment or payout method. So just to save some time, you know. I totally forgot to say that if you're starting out with Apex or whatever, you still didn't get a payout, that doesn't mean you cannot set up a payout method, because once you reach the payout, it's obviously going to be much faster. You know, just set up your payout method on plain and it's going to be fine. How many times I have to fail into the situation to understand? I have to drop London session. Come on, almost all my. Oh yeah, so I know how that feels, Rob. And honestly, I have the same situation too. A lot of my losses. Usually, what happens to me is I have losses in the London session, and then all the rest of the day is about trying to dig myself out of the hole, and I hate that. And that's why since some time now I decided that I'm going to trade more on evaluation accounts in London and not touching the funded accounts in London. So to create the plain account, did they send me? It has been I think you have to, I don't know. Oh well, Camille, I don't even know. Is it? I thought that this is in the payout method section. Let me check the website. Let me check Apex website. Oh, there we go. So it seems like we're going slowly higher. Let me check. Payout method on the left. Payout information, blah blah blah. Okay, internet, change payout method. So did you click on this? You have to go to change payout method. Obviously, I have it. I don't know if I click on it, what happens. Oh yeah, you might have to wait for the link. Okay. Okay, then you might have to wait for it. Seems like we're going for Asia highs right now. It's holding this level. Click save, nothing about. Okay, then you should. Okay, yeah, that's why I wanted to check. So yes, you're right, Camille. You have to wait for plain. You know, if you don't receive it today, I suggest you can ask support, raise a ticket. Nowadays, I realized that support is much faster than before. So I had 2 issues recently, some minor things with Apex. I sent them a support ticket and they replied me in a few hours. I was actually surprised, like, what? I got a reply in a few hours? That was crazy. You think we're going down? I don't know if we're going down, Gizno. Yeah, paper trading sometimes. What I'm doing right now is I'm just tape reading here. I actually missed my not missed. I entered a long position somewhere here right after the stream started, and then I closed it with a small loss. So now I have some FOMO, and I don't think I want to re-enter at this point. But you know, if I look at the 5-minute, as I'm looking for significant levels, I don't see anything that I like. So So when I am in my account with Apex and click on payout method, it sends me to their, yes. If it, yeah, just like I showed you, let me show you, okay? Let me log in. Okay. So here you are. This is your, I don't know if you see it. Here on the left, you go to payout method. You go to payout method. You go to the help center page on Apex. You scroll down, and go to change payout method here. You click on it. I'm not gonna go in there because it has some more personal details, information, but you click on it and it's going to guide you to that page. That's it. My data is already filled, so it's going to put you there. It's not, yeah. If I click on it, I have my information there. It puts me to a page where I have my information. Maybe they did that after I signed up to Plane. I don't know. Oh. Okay, then it's because maybe mine is different because I already have a registration with Plane. I don't know. It takes you to, yes. It takes you. Okay. Okay, because I only have mine like with my personal information. But it has to be the way to update it or add it for the first time. Slow grind to the Asia highs, I think. That's what's happening here. Slow grind. But as I said, I don't like it because we have these volume imbalances. And I just don't want to see a sudden, elevator down. So I'm just tape reading this. Yeah, 45 is still point of control. But we still have the Asia highs there. It's so close, it's so close with that CB. And let me get this off here. I'm going to put a fair value gap here. 5-minute BC. I'm not saying it's definitely going down there, but look at that, how close it's now. Is the low right now? Yeah, I would say so. We can technically say that, yeah, 101. So down at the 100. Now it seems like it definitely wants to go for the I mean, it's super close. Asia highs are super close. As we're getting closer, higher probability that it wants to take it. You know. To the 160s. But gotta be careful here. Still have time, and the macro is kicking in about 19 minutes soon. So there should be some liquidity sweep, but question is when. Which direction is it gonna be? Good morning, Dominic. How you doing? Good to see you. How's trading? Hope it's good being back home, by the way. It's a slow grind now. Should have stayed in that trade. Oh my god, I feel such... I'm such an idiot that I closed it down. The FOMO is definitely real on my end. And my TP was 157, I think. 157. It's just too funny. There you go. Oh, man. Thank you, Sam. Thank you. Oh, man. I should have known. I mean, my entry was based on the 5-minute. And I entered somewhere at 17. And look at it go. I feel such an idiot right now. And there you go, my TP was 157 originally. And I closed it here because I thought that, no, it wants to sweep this because relative equal lows down there. And I got scared. I was a chicken. I should have just hold it up to here. Well, what can I do? What can I do? Next up, 160. Yeah, I think that it wants to take out the Asia highs, but it is what it is. You know, what's the key takeaway from this? 3 words. Trust your analysis. If you lose, you lose. At least you know it. So I did not trust my analysis. I started to second doubt myself and question myself and everything. And I closed the trade. The only thing you can do is not eat chicken. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Not to eat chicken today. Actually, I started. I told you guys, I started to lose weight, and it didn't start yet. Actually, I mean, I'm trying, but the only method that so far worked for me, I'm going for a walk after the stream as well. I'm walking like at least 4 kilometers every day, but now I'm trying to extend it to 6. I'm not running yet because it's too cold outside for me to run. I don't want to catch a cold, but I'm walking like 4-5 kilometers, and what I'm doing is I'm counting calories. So that is something that worked for me so far. So I'm counting calories because I like to eat everything. I don't want to be like, no, I never eat this or that or whatever. So that's the method I choose to go with. And I did that one time like last year when I went to the hospital. Before that, I needed to lose some weight. So I was counting calories, and I lost like 12 or 14 kilograms by counting calories. So I started to do that again. Look at that, Asia high, boom. That's it. That's it. Fasting and keto for good weight loss and health improvement. Oh yeah, fasting too. Yeah. I have a friend of mine who also told me I should start with fasting. Or fasting. How do they pronounce it? I don't know. Anyway, a friend of mine told me to start with that. There you go. Asia is officially taken out, and the only level that I would go for now is the mid level of the 5-minute CB, which is 171.50. Let's go with 171. That would be the final target for this move. HRCO, hello, welcome. 182. Technically we can say that, yes, that Asia high, because that's actually when the PM session, you know, after the market reopens, is starting. The Asia markets are open from 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So officially that would be the time. Officially it would be 8 p.m. So what I just did is I picked the first swing high after 8 p.m. in this case, which was 161.50, but you can still stick with the 6 p.m. level if you know. Obviously we have this gap here, so I think we're gonna go to 171. Gold is generous long. Let's go. Age of Nugget soon. Let's go. Also aligns with, oh, okay. I did keto and 16-8 fasting and lost 10 kilogram in 3 months. Wow. Lowered my blood pressure to the lowest. Really? Awesome. That is awesome. I need to lose a lot of weight, guys. I am overweight officially, and even my doctor told me that I need to do something because you know, I'm not 20 years anymore, and I need to watch for my weight. So I am extremely overweight, guys. You guys don't see me because you just see me like in this, you know, my upper chest or my neckline here, but I'm actually overweight. I have a big stomach. Unfortunate, but it is what it is. I need to lose. Do it for the stream. No, I'm not doing it. I have man boobs. Guys, I have man boobs. That's how overweight I am. It's not good. Too much sitting. So I need to lose at least, the bare minimum is 15 kilograms. That's the bare minimum I have to lose. The bare standard minimum. Actually, the optimal would be to lose at least 20 kilograms. But I need to lose, like, the bare minimum is 15. We all have it. Could we see that, perhaps? Yeah, for sure. Oh, by the way, we could be seeing, first of all, a bearish reaction here. Watch out. Look at this. Swept the Asia highs. Is it going to go lower? So quite chubby. I am also chubby, man. I'm super chubby. Askis and when. Oh, that's why I started with walking around. Hey, Martage and I'm gonna say Martin. Thank you for joining the channel. Thank you for the subscription. Welcome on the stream. Do 1 meal a day for 30 days and keep the diet on eggs, dairy, and red meat. 30 days. Okay. Oh, really? Okay. That's a good idea, maybe. I might try that. Oil Lives, 67, 70 kilogram. Oh my God. I so envy those people. I have a friend of mine who is like super thin and he can eat everything, you know. He can eat everything and, you know, he's like, I don't know. He is like a super thin person and he eats more than 2 people. I don't know how he does it. I guess it's genetics, DNA, whatever, you know. That's why I still work. I do roofing and I'm always active. Yeah, that's good, Bowser. Yeah, that's something. With 5K subs before ever received my first bit. No, don't say that. Best DJ in town. Don't say that. I'm eyeballing this 5-minute candle, by the way. It's tempting for me to go short after sweeping the Asia highs. But I'm just a little bit scared because we still have the CB up there. I might gonna give it a shot, you know, even if I lose. I might give it a shot. At least I will know that my analysis was correct or not. You know, just to go down and sweep the lows there would be nice after sweeping Asia high here. Hello, can you can do that. Lost 15. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much, Martin. Intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting. I'm gonna see what that is. All right, I'll check it. You weigh 87. Oh yeah, 160. Yeah. Guys, my weight, you're gonna be surprised, is 109 kilograms. I weigh currently 109 kilograms currently. That's my weight. My height is 184 centimeters. So my optimal weight should be somewhere around 90 kilograms or lower. So I'm definitely super overweight. That's why I need to do something. I see it in the mirror. I can feel it in my health. I have issues, you know. So I need to start something. Okay, I think I'll jump into a short for the stream, you know. Where is that level? 35. Okay. Jumped into a short, but of course it's going up there right now. The 5-minute CB. That's what it's gonna take it away from me. Yeah. Oh man, it's gonna take me out. I have to get out from this position, I think. I might close it. What a mess. Alright, closing it. F it. I don't like it. Closed it. It is what it is. What can we do, right? Alright. Okay. It seems like this London session is just not my type of session. It's just not something I should be part of. Not this morning. Yeah, I'm gonna wait now and see what's going on. Yeah, now I'm just, I'm flat and I'm just gonna wait. I wonder if this one would still go to the 70s, at least to touch the middle of the gap there. Or, I mean, to try to reprice it. Because that's the only efficient, I mean, the 1 hour gap is at 169.75. So the middle of that maybe the 169, I don't know. Anyway, have to wait for it. We're gonna have a macro real soon. Thank you. Let's hit that like button. Thank you. Let's hit the like button, everybody. All right, macro is kicking in about. So there's a 1 hour fair value gap at 69.75. Let me check it on the mini. The mini, actually, we're already in the 1 hour, but the mid level of that 1 hour gap is on the mini is 69.75. All right, interesting. All right, macro is kicking in soon. It went to 68. I am brave. Yes, Camille. No. So you watch 5-minute and 1 hour. You don't. Yeah, I watched the 15-minute too, Zach. I watch every time frame from 1 except the 3. A 3-minute I don't really like. Don't ask me why. I don't know. I watch the 5, the 15, the 1 hour. I'm not watching the 30-minute. Still, don't ask me why. I don't care about the 30-minute. I feel like there's a lot more happening on the 15 and the 1 hour. The 1 hour and the 15-minute levels are much more significant in my personal opinion. Obviously, a lot of you guys are watching the 30-minute as well. I'm watching every time frame. On my left, I have the 15-minute, the 1 hour, the 5-minute on all the time. So 170 has 125 at the offer. Oh, really? I would say that 171 would be the drawn liquidity on this bullish move. Obviously, I'm not going to take any trade on this one now, but that's also good. You know, watching higher time frames for drawn liquidity, that's also a very, very good idea. That's also, there you go. I'm not saying it's not possible, because it's very much possible. Filling the 1 hour fair value gap. Let's see. Yeah, it seems like that's happening. So this is the 5-minute here, but obviously we have a 1 hour. Let me show you. Here's the 1 hour gap. Mid level of that is come on, 69.50 on the mini. I also noticed, I don't know what you guys think, but I also noticed that the mid level of the fair value gaps are usually a very, very high probability, at least for price to wick that level, you know, just to spike it like boom, even if it turns around. The mid level of these fair value gaps are super important in my opinion. That's why we also have this line here. I didn't always have this line, but I always noticed how the mid level got taken or wicked. In this case, 69.50-ish or 75, whatever. Still bullish on gold. I haven't checked on gold this morning, but on the long run, on the big picture, definitely. Yes, I think gold is going to remain bullish for the next upcoming days or weeks for sure. I don't have a Tradeify account yet, but I registered with them. But I'm going to buy a Tradeify account. 69. Seems like people are starting to like it more and more. I just started with them. Obviously, I registered for an affiliate code too. So if you guys want to try them, there's my code. It's the same, but I haven't got there yet. But I think well, from next week I would say I will trade on a straight to funded account. I think maybe I will do some evaluations too. Currently I have Trader funding, which is not listed here. I have a trade day account. I even have a Top Step account now. So I have multiple accounts that I need to trade on. The ones that are here, obviously I'm trading the most. And I'm still fighting for the Take Profit Trader account to get funded. Hey, look at that. 171. This was the move. Hey, real folks, what's up? Oh yeah, by the way, John, yeah. With ProfiTrade, there is no monthly fee for evaluation account. Just one-time fee. So if you pay, for example, right now it's $24 for an evaluation account. That's a one-time fee. Take your time. If it takes you 6 months to pass, you still pay $24. No monthly recurring fees with ProfiTrade. Just saying. We are going for 182. Yeah. Seems like. Yeah, I heard about them, Marek. I heard about Purdia, yeah. Tixi Trader has a good 150 direct account on sale. Let's go. Yeah, it looks like the macro is now sweeping everything here. Just hit the 50-pointer. Let's go, man. Come on. Congratulations. I know you're going for your 50 points, and I know you're always hit your targets. Like, rarely miss it. Very nice job. And we're over up to the 80s. Remember, new week opening gap, new day opening gap indicator. There's a line that is called F dot. Yeah. I'm not sure. EHPDA. It's some kind of price Ray, I think we talked about this, but I forgot. You sent me. Let's see. Let's see. I have to open my email here. Where's my email? Oh, very nice. Let me put this here. Oh, wow, beautiful. The real folks sent me this. Nice entry here. Beautiful risk to reward. Perfect. Let's go. What we just hit. Yeah, we hit the 82. We hit the 82, 79, 75, but we definitely repriced the gap. So I'm looking at the 5-minute now. I'm actually also looking to take a short on this one to finally maybe have a, a good trade for the day. It can also drop from here, you know, who knows? So I'm watching the 5-minute now. A+, what's going on? Good morning. How you doing so far with the trades, man? It's good to see you dropping into the stream. Well, looks like it's still bullish. If it trades above the previous candle, then obviously you can see some continuation up to 83. I think that's what's going to happen. Still have time. And there she goes. There she goes. Bum 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 bum. So don't forget it, everybody. Today is gonna be the big day, the CPI. It's gonna be awesome. The CPI day. Bum, 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 bum. Not yet, Royce. Not yet. I got this question a few times. I'm starting to feel like a little bit ashamed that I didn't get the payout yet. I blown one funded account with ProfiTrade. Shame on me. I was like $600 away to get a payout. I have 2 more funded accounts, which I trade actively. But if that counts as anything, I know, I mean, more and more people, except me, getting payouts from ProfiTrade. But they do pay, if that's something that I mean, everybody's asking. They do pay out people. So people showing up with receipts, and CEO stated that they paid out $800,000 since the start in a few weeks in payouts. So, you know. Yes. I'm not always there. Sometimes I pop in to see to look around, just to see what's going on. For example, I'm just checking it now. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm in their Telegram. Yeah, I was reading about it, because they're doing it manually. They were saying something about this, like, I talked with two guys on Telegram who received the payouts after. I mean, usually they pay out on Mondays, so they received it on the day after, and not paying out some accounts and paying out accounts for behind on payouts, and not paying out some accounts and paying out accounts for individuals. So some individuals did not get paid. I don't know about that. I know that there was already some individuals who were trying to play the system with some big trades. They were talking about it. So, but so far, I think, was it yes? No, it was Monday. Yeah, I checked it on their Telegram, and yesterday morning, like, yeah, just 24 hours ago, that some more people said that they got the payment on Rise. Obviously, I don't know. Also missing the 500 extra they promised for the first sign up evals. I don't know about that, but I'm gonna check into that, Naomi. But thank you for saying that. That's I'm gonna read through their chat again, because I did that like yesterday morning before. I mean, yeah, before the London stream. I have an update about the milestone plan. First, the 25k price is no longer 121 with your code. It's now, which is, oh, it's not 171. The 25k. I mean, the 25k was on for a shorter time on sale. Let me check it. It's somewhere here. Where is it? I need to find it. I know there is a. I have a flyer somewhere here. So here's one. It says the 50k, the 100k, and the 150k are down 10% until November 30. Is what I know. Next, with my when you meet the first milestone, to pull out your first anything over the you lose, you get paid, but it resets back to 25k. Yeah, that's why it's a milestone. You have to, you reach the level, you get the payout, you do it again, you know. I mean, I thought that maybe I did not explain it well, because that's how these milestone accounts work. But yeah. So basically, you have a task to complete. The task is to make X amount of profit and you get X amount of payout. And that goes on for the rest of the accounts. So it's basically an instant funded. But yes, you're going to reset back to square one and do it again. So that's why there are 4 milestones. 4? I think it's 4. It doesn't say that here, how many milestones, but there's another one. I think you have to do it 4 times, and then you go to a live account. So basically, you have to prove yourself that you can make that level, but obviously that's true. That buffer actually resets, but the 25K is a static account, so it's a little bit different. But yeah. Yeah, you can do that. Serious jury, yeah. Yeah. The restarting on looks like a bit of a game. Nintendo tricks from their slide. So, yeah, but hey, they need to keep a cap on those accounts. That's what we talked about. You know, if these prop firms, not just MyFundedFutures, if they don't have a payout cap on those instant funded accounts, then they're gonna be bleeding out. I understand. FX and Trophy, yeah. Yeah. I understand, yeah. They wanted to be definitely a competition against FTT, and right now, you know, Tradeify is one of their biggest competition in this case. So oh, they let you. Depends on how much you're gonna get, because you can request it, Sam, but there's a 50% profit share in the threshold, you know, on the Echo accounts. So you can request it, but the question is how much you're going to receive. You know. In total accounts, yes. 25K, you get 100% above the threshold. Yeah. Across all accounts, I think. Yes. Oh, you're in the pre-echo mode. Yeah, okay. Okay, yeah, I totally forgot because many of you guys bought, also stated that if someone bought accounts before the echo and the boost accounts, then obviously the old rules will go for those accounts. Troy, hey there, do you think TGR is legit? He also has a prop firm. You know, so many new prop firms, it's hard to say. I don't really know too much about TGR. So nowadays, a lot of people are creating prop firms. That's why the next year should be interesting. You know, should be interesting because of the regulations. Too tempted to make a request with only at my first payout with them. You know, why not, Sam? I think you should go for it. I mean, just if I were you with the pre-echo account, so with an original account with before rules, I would just take the money. I would just take everything I can, and then you know you can still work on a new account. That's how I would do it, but obviously it's up to you. Oh, I like this. Someone just I'm gonna save this. Someone posted a very good explanation about very good explanation about the ProfiTrade accounts. I like it. So this is it. It's a very good explanation. So with the Echo account, this is the safety net. And you can request 50% of your safety net. Above the safety net, this is just an example, you can request 90, you're going to get 90% profit split. Every profit you made above the safety net. This is a very good example here. This is awesome. Yeah, DL Zing, I tried to go for a long, then I closed it with a small loss. Obviously, I should have stayed in it. And then I tried to go short, and I closed it again with a small loss. So I was making stupid decisions this session. It's not my day. Not my session today. I do like this one. This is how the accounts are. This is great. I'm going to keep this. All right. Interesting conversation here from the ProfiTrade Telegram about the payouts. So this is their CEO saying that more than 90% of payouts aren't delayed, and for delayed payouts it's a small delay. I don't hear the 90%. Where are you guys? To be clear and direct, we are not a scam. It's not our first prop firm. Yes, we had a very successful launch and we are organizing our company with new targets we didn't expect. But message to all, everyone will get his payout till their last penny. Don't worry and let us work. All right, anyway. So, anyway. Yeah, it was a bit like FTT, but I don't want to jinx it. I hope it's not. Welcome home. Oh, yeah. Welcome home. Welcome home. Yeah, I mean, for now, all the reports I was chatting with him directly, and anyway, he seemed to be a professional and a nice guy, and obviously it's not their first prop firm, that's true. And by the way, yeah, 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 it's a little bit like that's why I was laughing. It was a little bit like Scott, like everybody's gonna get paid. Like, oh man, please don't. The first prop firm is TickTickTrader. It's still a prop firm. It's still operating. They just separated from TickTickTrader to do their own. That's it. Yeah, exactly, Naomi. We have PTSD from FTT. Yeah, yeah. He almost wrote that welcome home. Yeah. If there's somebody who is delayed with any kind of prop firm, now everybody, just like Naomi said, we're still in shock. We're still suffering from PTSD. Everybody, this kind of text, obviously it's not a good, not the best to say like everybody's gonna get paid here. Come on, man, don't write that. Like, how many times Scott was texting that? Oh my god, everybody gets paid here. Ugh. Yeah, everybody. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think there should be doing a Netflix documentary. Yeah. No, but obviously I told this in my video too that I made about ProfiTrade. It's a brand new prop firm. I gave them a chance because at that point when ProfiTrade were starting, there was only like, I mean, I told this to you guys, I was looking for a prop firm outside US and outside the European Union, and ProfiTrade was something that was fitting into my let's just say portfolio of prop firms. But I always said it's a brand new prop, so diversify. I also said it in their video I made about them, that diversify, don't put your eggs in one basket. Anyway, I'm gonna continue to trade with them. I'm gonna make those payouts, and but obviously I'm also suffering from that PTSD from fast track trading. So what I did see, believe it or not, that yesterday I spoke with people, they got the payouts. Anyway, their CEO said they paid out $800,000 already in a few weeks. So quite a successful launch. Some payouts, he said, need to be done manually, and that's why There's some delays for a few people. That's it. And I don't want to jinx anything bad. All right. As they descend on Monday, maybe earlier. Yeah. So what you need to know about ProfiTrade, it works just like Bulenox. You submit your payout, you're going to get paid the next week. Yes, currently they say on Monday, but you know, if it's done on Tuesday or Wednesday, who cares as long as they pay, right? Anyway, that's I don't know. I don't know, Royce. I'm sorry. I don't know, Sam. I don't know, Sam, about those things. Yes, by the way, yes, Naomi is right. So it doesn't matter that you're in the United Arab Emirates. It doesn't mean anything. The thing that basically, one of the thing, because I said they're outside the European Union and the US, is because of regulations. Obviously, the regulations are going to come from the CME. So ProfiTrade might have to, you know, line up with those regulations too, but still, at least, you know, they're under a different jurisdiction there. Anyway, we'll see. You know, guys, time will tell. You know, time will tell. You know, nowadays there's so much FUD circulating around everything. Now Bulenox has issues with payment denials. Actually, one payment denial. Now everybody's suddenly saying that, oh my god, Bulenox is gonna rock pool. Yeah, everybody's gonna rock pool, guys. Everybody. It's a rock pool industry. Whatever, you know. Just let's get the payouts. You know, that's what I'm working for too. Let's get those trades in order, and it's. But one thing's for sure, absolutely stick with some of the big ones like TopStep, Apex, MyFundedFutures. Take Profit Trader is also super professional. That's why I like them. Tradeify, I know everybody's all over the place with Tradeify. Awesome. I do think they have a good business model. I do honestly think that their business model is good. But they are basically like 3 weeks old or 4 weeks old. Not even. They were established on the 15th of October, the LLC. They're less than 4 weeks old, guys. And everybody's, wow, Tradeify. And it's good. I have a code for them too. I'm going to buy accounts with them too. 100% sure. But what can we say? These prop firms, you know, it's a business. What if I only have one egg? Bowser, I don't know what to say. If you have only one egg. TickTick is a Romanian company. I have nothing against Romanian companies as long as they pay. But so far, TickTick was paying everybody. They had some issues with the platform, but so far they were working. Yeah, Sam. I don't know if they're Romanian, honestly. I haven't looked into it. Yeah, I haven't looked into the foundation of TickTick Trader, who the founders are or where the registry at. Yeah. Sarah, there's no problem with Bulenox so far. Everything is cool. I definitely feel for that guy who built up $500,000 with Bulenox, and he gets no response from Bulenox because they're disabled his account. Obviously, I also like to see the end of that story. But so far, that's the only issue that we know from Bulenox. But as far as I've learned from Twitter, is that that guy wants to sue them. He wants to start a legal case against Bulenox. That's all I know. So No, I'm not selling. I'm not selling from here because it's creating a support. It's accumulating positions. And I think it's going to go higher for now. That's what I think. So if I see a displacement higher, I might even going to go to buy. But for now, the only scenario when I would jump into a sell here, if this would displace lower than 162 or lower. For example here, this fair value gap is quite alright. If you guys want to sell from here, it's not a bad idea. I just, I was watching the 5-minute too much, and I don't like the way it's not starting to take the elevator down. So I like to see this waterfall down from here. It's not happening yet, but I like to see that. There's a small volume imbalance at 55. I mean, I don't know. All right, for the stream, I took a sell. And there you go. Oh, man. All right, I'm closing it. All right, closed it. That's it. That's it. I'm done. No more trades. No more trades. 3 micros, I jumped in and immediately spiked up. I closed it. No more trades in this session. I'm done. I am done for the session. I reached my limit. Yeah, I was anticipating. You know what was I thinking? I was thinking that maybe, we have this void here at 155 on the mini. And so I thought, 155 here. I thought that, we could go with the 1 to 2 risk to reward from this 1-minute gap. Why not, Why not? But as soon as I pressed the sell button, it boom, spiked higher. So no, thank you. I don't want any of that. But this would be obviously a possible good target, It is what it is. Anyway. Trading Nirvana, hey there, how are you? I'm doing great. After FTT disaster, I was looking for better solutions. Bybit is offering 1/500 leverage. Oh, I'm not gonna do that. I was looking for CFD trading as well, but I still don't know. Trades by Brendan, welcome. Good to see you. My limit how many trades I can take in a session. So I already tried 3 trades, and all of these entries were BS. So that's my limit, my mental limit. I like to sell to 50% of the 5-minute fair value gap. Could go. VNS empty. All right. Well, it would be crazy if this trade would go to my original target. How much do I need to earn to withdraw? 3,500 on a 300k account. Which prop firm? Apex. I think Apex you have to trade up to like 6,000 or 7,000. If you're asking about Apex, let me check it on their website, because you can withdraw up to 500 in the safety net, but I have to check the safety net on the 300k. So it means trading threshold is 7,500. So you have to trade up to about $10,000, right? Let me see. Yeah, $10,000, Nissim. You have to go to $10,000, I think. So you can request 3,500. Because it's always about the safety threshold minus $500. As I understand, but I never traded the 300k account. But Farhad, good morning. Yes, it's free. It's called the power of 3, and it's a free indicator. It's called power of. Come on. TradingView is not loading in. It's not loading in. I don't know why. Interesting. Maybe I'm gonna refresh the page. Okay. It's still not loading. Oh, yeah, there you go. Power of 3. HTF power of 3 has more than 10k users from 2 degrees. If you click on it, you can use the New York midnight level here as an open. I just use it to anticipate some moves. That's it. Yeah, no problem, Nissim, no problem. I have 600, but you can withdraw 500 from the safety net, I think. 2 degrees. Yes, yes, Martin. Just trade your account up. Let's go. Yeah, look at monthly. Yeah, monthly goals are good too. I agree. I agree. Look at monthly goals, etc. You know. Anyway, price is stuck here, and I think it might go higher. Who knows? I just outlined that this possible short entry could have taken price down to some liquidity levels in the 50s, but you know, could continue higher. We have the macro in 11 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, choppy. Definitely choppy days. Yeah, the 300K definitely gives you more room to trade with. Short into any move up. Well, you know, as you can see, it's like accumulating positions here. I think it might gonna do one more leg to the upside. So I don't know. This market structure shift was looking nice here. That's why I jumped in immediately. I mean, all of a sudden that I saw this, and I saw some liquidity voids down there, so why not? You know, we still have time and we have the macro, but I'm not sure. Yeah, it's flexible. Back if man speaks in 5 minutes. Oh, we don't like that. It still looks bullish to me. So but anyway, I think I've done I've done enough tape. I mean, not tape reading, but stupid entries on my end. And as I said, I don't want to call out more because here I called out the direction. It was a very good call at the start of the stream. I was stupid to close it. I missed out the trade. Here I started to short. Stupid move. Started to short. Closed it at the spike. So no, I had my fun. I had my fun. I don't want to lose more. I lost about $100 and it's fine. A little bit more. Michael, hey there. So that being said, I think I'm gonna call it here, guys. I don't want to call anything here at the end of the kill zone. It might go up. I think it's gonna go higher, by the way, up to the 200s. So thank you for watching, everybody. I'll be back in the New York session, so be careful at the 8:30 CPI news. The market open, the stock exchange open is definitely going to shake the market. So be careful and, you know, load up some accounts if you want to YOLO, but you know, thank you so much for being here. If you would like to support, please use my codes. 90% off at Bulenox and 84% with the option 2 accounts with the TOMSABO 2 code. That's the best sale they have so far. But also the other ones are good too. So thank you again. I'll be back in the New York session. Trade safe, be safe, and God bless you all. See you guys later.